Every great invention started with a problem nobody could solve. Post-it note, Gmail, Toy Story. None of them were planned. None of them were ordered. They came from somewhere, unexpected, just like every solution. Inside an ant colony, no ant is told to innovate. No ant is given a budget for new ideas. And yet, the ant colony has been solving impossible problems for 130 million years. 3M understood this. Google understood this. Pixar understood this. Today, we learn how to innovate from the ant. Innovation Lesson 1. Every ant can innovate. Most companies believe innovation comes from the top. The CEO has the idea, the manager approves it, the employee executes it. And that is exactly why most companies stop innovating. Because the best ideas never come from the top. They come from the people closest to the problem. The ant colony has no innovation department, no chief ideas officer, no brainstorming session. Every ant responds to what she sees in front of her. If a tunnel is blocked, she doesn't wait for permission. She finds a new path immediately. The innovation happens at the ground level, where the problem actually exists. 3M understood this better than almost anyone. In 1948, 3M gave every employee 15% of their work time to spend on whatever they wanted. No deadlines, no targets, no manager watching. Just free time to explore. A scientist named Spencer Silver used that time to accidentally create a glue that didn't stick permanently. Everyone called it a failed experiment, until another 3M employee used it to keep his bookmark from falling and invented the Post-it note, one of the best-selling office products in history. Born not from a boardroom, but from an ant solving its own problem. Ask yourself, are you giving your people the freedom to innovate? Or are you waiting for the next big idea to come from you? Innovation Lesson 2. Best idea wins, not best title. In most businesses, the loudest voice wins. The highest title wins. The most senior person in the room wins, not the best idea. And that is where innovation dies. Inside an ant colony, there are no titles, no senior forager, no junior builder. When a scout finds food, her signal spreads, not because of who she is, but because her idea works. The best signal gets followed every time, without politics, without hierarchy, without ego. Google built their entire innovation culture on this principle. In 2004, Google introduced the 20% rule. Every engineer could spend 20% of their work time on any project they personally believed in. No permission needed, no approval required. Just the best idea gets built. Gmail, born from 20% time. Google Maps, born from 20% time. Google News, born from 20% time. Billions of users, billions of dollars, all from giving people the freedom to follow their best signal. The ant doesn't ask, who had the idea? She asks, does it work? Ask yourself, in your business, does the best idea win? or does the loudest voice? Innovation. Lesson 3. Failure is part of the system. Every business is afraid of failure. They avoid it, hide it, punish it, and in doing so, they kill every chance of innovation. Because innovation and failure are the same thing. You cannot have one without the other. The ant colony fails constantly. Scouts go out and find nothing. Tunnels collapse and must be rebuilt. Food sources disappear, and new ones must be found. But the colony never punishes the scout who came back empty, because every failed attempt carries information. Information that makes the next attempt smarter. The colony treats failure not as an ending, but as data. Pixar has made some of the greatest films in history. Toy Story, Finding Nemo, The Incredibles. Every single one of them was a disaster at some point. Toy Story 2 was accidentally deleted during production. The entire film almost gone forever. Inside Out was completely rewritten 18 months before release. Pixar has a name for this process. They call it the ugly baby. Every great idea starts ugly, unformed, unfinished. The job of the team is not to kill the ugly baby. It is to keep feeding it until it becomes something beautiful. The ant feeds every larva, even the ones that don't look promising yet. Ask yourself, is your business killing ugly babies or giving them the chance to grow? 3 lessons, 3 ancient innovation secrets. Every ant can innovate. Freedom at ground level. Best idea wins, not the loudest voice. Failure is part of the system. Feed the ugly baby. 3M gave freedom and got the Post-it note. Google gave time and got Gmail and Maps. Pixar fed the ugly baby and got Toy Story. The ant colony has been innovating this way for 130 million years. No innovation budget, no chief ideas officer. Just a system that lets every ant solve every problem. Subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. And drop in the comments, which innovation secret does your business need most right now? Tell me below. I read everyone.